Are you eligible for Usaa membership and ready to experience banking and insurance services designed specifically for you? First, let's talk about who can actually join Usaa membership. It is primarily open to active duty military, veterans, and their eligible family members. This includes spouses and children. If you're unsure, the Usaa website has a handy eligibility tool that can help you determine if you qualify. Head to Usaa.com and look for the eligibility section, usually found near the top of the page. Now, let's dive into the account opening process. You can open an account online through their website or via the mobile app, which is incredibly convenient. For an account, you'll generally need to gather some key information: your social security number, driver's license, or other form of government ID, and basic contact details. The application process itself is pretty straightforward. First, select the account type you want to open, such as a checking account, savings account, or both. Then, you will need to fill out the online application form with your personal information. Make sure all details are accurate. You'll usually be asked about your military affiliation too. Make sure you select the appropriate option: active duty, veteran, or family member. Following the application, you'll likely need to upload images, your identification, and any supporting documentation. This can include your driver's license or other form of ID. They might also request proof of address, such as a utility bill or a copy of your lease agreement. Usaa uses these documents to verify your identity and confirm your membership. Once everything is submitted, you will receive a confirmation, and you can begin to fund your new account. You can usually transfer money from another bank account or make an initial deposit using a debit card. Congratulations, you're a Usaa member now, and you are able to access premium services. For more in-depth guidance, don't hesitate to check out the Usaa website resources.